Welcome to Choice Champions. The best rain chains is probably one of the most overlooked yet impactful upgrades you can make to your home's exterior, transforming a purely functional downspout into a captivating water feature that adds a touch of elegance and tranquility to your landscape, while still efficiently guiding rainwater away from your foundation, creating a soothing visual and auditory experience with every rainfall. Number 5. Copper Rain Chain. Say goodbye to unsightly downspouts. This beautiful alternative adds an enchanting touch to your home's exterior. Watch as water gracefully cascades, creating a stunning visual display. Crafted from 100% uncoated copper, it boasts a stunning shine that develops a rustic patina over time. This sustainable material is naturally safe, ensuring clean rainwater harvesting for years to come. Featuring multiple charming cup designs, its heavy-duty adjustable link chain ensures optimal water diversion. Choose from elegant tulip, bell, or pot shapes to complement your style. Installation is incredibly easy with its built-in V-hook. The flexible system allows you to customize cup placement and connect multiple units for taller structures, securing it against swaying. Inspired by centuries-old Japanese design, it produces a soothing chime sound. This eco-friendly water feature adds instant elegance and functionality to any gutter system, all year round. It's more than just a drainage solution, it's a statement piece. This unique addition enhances your garden's ambience and provides a calming, natural soundscape. What we like? This rain chain boasts an uncoated copper construction that develops a beautiful rustic patina over time. It offers 4 charming cup designs, creating a unique visual and auditory experience. If you appreciate natural materials that age gracefully and desire a truly unique, elegant water feature, you should consider this one. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON for extraction. Number 4. Oak Leaf Rain Chain with Adapter. Transform your home's exterior with a touch of elegance. This attractive rain chain offers a classy alternative to traditional downspouts. Watch as rain gracefully flows down its cups, creating a serene ambience for any outdoor space. Designed for versatility, it features an extra-long 8.5-foot chain with 12 beautiful lotus flower cups. You can easily adjust its length to perfectly fit your single-story home. Simply add or remove cups and links as needed. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools at all. A bonus adapter ensures a secure connection to your gutter with minimal splash. Its flexible design allows for easy adjustment of position and cup placement. Crafted from durable galvanized iron, it boasts a rust-resistant plating finish. This ensures it can withstand harsh weather conditions like rainstorms and downpours. Expect less wear and rust, providing lasting beauty. Inspired by ancient Japanese design, it's more than just a drainage tool. It creates a soothing melody as water drips, adding a delightful auditory experience to your home. This eco-friendly solution brings both function and elegance. What we like? This model stands out with its extra-long 8.5-foot chain, perfect for standard single-story homes. It also includes a bonus adapter for incredibly easy, splash-free installation. If you need a longer chain right out of the box and value a straightforward setup process, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Oak Leaf 8.5-foot Lotus Rain Chain with Adapter. Looking for a unique way to enhance your home's exterior? This attractive rain chain offers a classy alternative to traditional downspouts. It creates a serene ambience as rain flows gracefully, perfect for any garden or patio. This set includes an impressive 8.5-foot chain with 12 beautiful lotus flower cups. You can easily shorten or lengthen it by adding or removing cups and links to perfectly fit your building. Installation is incredibly simple, requiring no tools at all. A bonus adapter ensures a secure connection to your gutter with minimal splash. Its flexible system allows for easy adjustment of placement. Crafted from durable galvanized iron, it features a rust-resistant plating finish. This ensures it's strong enough to withstand harsh weather conditions like rainstorms, promising long-lasting beauty and function. Inspired by ancient Japanese design, it serves as an eco-friendly drainage solution. Beyond its function, it produces a soothing sound as water drips, adding a delightful melody and elegance to your home. What we like? Featuring a beautiful copper powder-coated finish, this chain offers the aesthetic appeal of copper with enhanced durability. It's crafted from galvanized iron, ensuring it withstands harsh weather conditions. If you desire the look of copper without the natural patina development and need a robust, long-lasting option, this one is for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted or quoted. Number 2. Rifachua 8.5-foot Lotus rain chain. Discover a beautiful and unique way to enhance your house, garden, or patio. This elegant chain replaces traditional downspouts, adding a touch of charm and sophistication to any outdoor space. Designed to catch rainwater, it creates a gentle, soothing sound as water flows into a basin below. Experience a calming effect, turning rainy days into moments of tranquility. Installation is incredibly simple, requiring no tools. An included gutter adapter ensures a minimal splash, and its flexible system allows for easy adjustments to fit your specific needs. This 8.5-foot chain comes with 12 lotus flower cups, ideal for most standard single-story homes. You can easily shorten or lengthen it by adding or removing cups and links to perfectly match your building's height. Crafted from durable galvanized iron with a rust-resistant plating, it's designed for longevity. This robust construction ensures it can withstand harsh weather conditions, including heavy rainstorms, with minimal wear. It makes a thoughtful gift for friends and family, or a wonderful treat for yourself. Replacing a traditional downspout with this decorative piece instantly freshens your home's look, offering an immediate architectural facelift. What we like. This rain chain showcases an elegant copper-plated finish, providing a sophisticated touch to any home. Its beautiful design also makes it a perfect gift for friends and family. If you're looking for a visually appealing, ready-to-install decorative piece or a thoughtful present, this option is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points. Therefore, no specific details on product works, design, function, or features can be quoted. Number 1. Square rain chain, 12-cup black gutter replacement. Replace your old downspouts with this stylish solution. It's a beautiful and functional way to manage rainwater, adding a chic touch to any home. Each cup is meticulously handmade, designed to effectively channel water. Watch as it creates a stunning vertical water display, enhancing your home's aesthetic. Crafted from excellent metal with a protective coating, it resists fading and rust. This durable chain stands strong against heavy weather, and its length is easily adjustable. Installation is a breeze with its S-shaped hooks, simply hang it under your eaves. Enjoy the delightful melody as rainwater gently cascades down, bringing elegance to your space. Featuring a charming bell pendant, it creates a crisp sound with the wind and rain. This spectacular piece makes a thoughtful and unique present for family and friends. What we like. Distinguishing itself with unique square cups and an impressive 10-foot length, this chain offers a modern aesthetic. It also features a charming bell pendant at the bottom, adding a delightful auditory element. If you prefer a contemporary look and enjoy subtle, melodic sounds with your water feature, this is the one to choose. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.